day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Discovery to the Miracles Beneath the Surface. All the honor and all the glory and praise goes to our Heavenly Father in Yeshua's name. Now, beautiful soul family, I am going to call this message Modesty is the best policy. Modesty is the best policy. So I was just observing, watching this message. I'm going to put it in the description box. It is from GH Confessions, and it's entitled, "What These Rich Men Did to Us in Dubai, I Will Never Forget." You know, beautiful soul family, as I watched this, I had to pause. One, because it was just proving even more like how important it is to have a relationship with the Most High Yah. Because our Heavenly Father, truth be told, we're not damsels in distress. You know, based on how a woman views marriage, views courtship, views relationships, it's because of their relationship with their fathers. And those who brought forth division within certain families knows this. When you have a respect for yourself, it exudes. This is something that some women do not know about. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But it truly does depend on what they're looking at. Are they just stuck on external appearances, although those are important? Or do they go deeper? Do they even have what it takes? And so it's so sad because now there are gold diggers who they don't flaunt themselves with the long nails and the short dresses. They come with a different tactic. Now they're dressed in modest, but see, they still don't change who they are on the inside. So again, it's wolf in sheep's clothing. But the thing about it is, beautiful soul family, they're doing it so that they can be taken care of. And none of them are going inside to know who they truly are, their purpose, their desires, their relationship with the Most High Yah. No, they just want to be taken care of. They don't care about the heart aspect, they care about the money. I want the money. They don't care about love. You know? And so they go after men that are rich. They go after worldly men. And they don't care what they have to do to get the money. You see, they view the money as protection. Oh, I have beautiful bags and purses and perfume, clothing. I live in a beautiful house. But those are things that can be taken away. What about the things that you can't touch nor see? And so, well, I've mentioned it plenty of times. I do love watching Nigerian movies, and from the past, I've noticed how it's a thin line. Some will go through life not being seen, going through the struggles. Some leads to happy endings. And then there are those that turn to prostitution, have multiple sugar daddies. There is no sacredness. There is no love. There's fascination. There's lust and greed. Self-respect has been sacrificed. It's sad. And in this GH Confessions, she talks about different aspects about what she did. And it was made known even the more that for the sake of having such things, for money, for fame, notoriety, same thing, to look luxurious, they had to sleep around. Can you imagine all that swapping in and out like revolving doors to so-called men who, yes, they have money, but they don't care. There's no love, no respect. But women do it, sadly. I call them women out of respect. But is it worth it? I myself experienced a time frame where I saw someone and she was getting multiple engagements, but she didn't treat the men with love at all. And I asked her for advice. And she said she plays games. And I figured, you know what? At one point, I was like, I'm going to do it. But my heart just wouldn't allow me to. My heart, I said, if it's all about games, it's not worth it. It's not love. The more I build my relationship with the Most High Yah, I realize, you know what? I'm happy to be single. Because it's not worth it. And each struggle that I may go through, as long as I can look at myself in the mirror, as long as I feel the love of Yah within, I can hold on and wait. Building my relationship with Yah is the most important thing in my life. And living my life according to His will is the best love of all. I don't have to lose out or sell myself short for pennies on a dollar. I can walk with my head up high, not from ego or pride, but because of joy and peace. And sadly enough, there are women that don't know that. Until the next message, have a beautiful and wonderful day, and may Yahweh bless you with love.